Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all of you be fine and healthy. I am Neha Gupta. I will teach you English grammar of class first. This subject is also called English first. Firstly, I will show you the book of English grammar. This is the book of English grammar. The name of this book is Grammatics by Friends Publication. Now, today we will start the first chapter of this book. The first chapter's name is the alphabet. You have already read about alphabet in previous classes. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Any idea? Yes, the English alphabet has 26 letters. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the 26 letters in English alphabet. The fixed order of letters is called alphabetical order or ABC order. Means A, B, C, D, this order is called alphabetically order. We can write these letters in two different ways. Capital letters and small letters. These are called capital letters and these are called small letters. Capital letters are also known as block letters or uppercase letters. On the other hand, small letters are also known as lowercase letters. Now, we will do the exercise of this chapter. This is the exercise of chapter 1. First, we will read the question. A part. Fill in the missing letters to complete the ABC order given below. Here, we have to write the missing letters of alphabet. Here we are looking that all the letters are in small. So, we also have to write in small letters. We will start. First, we will see A is here. Then, two fill in the blanks are here. After this, D is here. So, in the blanks, what will come after A? Yes, B. After B, C. Then, D is written here. We will write in small letters. After D, E, we will write E in small letters, small e. Then F, G, H is written here. After that, I and J, we will write in small letters. Then K is written here. L, M, we will write in small letters. Then N is written here. Then we will write O. P is here. Then we will write Q. Then R is here. We will write S. Then T is here. We will write U, V. Then W is here. We will write X, Y. And last Z is here. All the letters we have to write in small letters. Hope all of you understand. After that, we will do exercise B. First, we will read the question. Rearrange the names of these animals to keep them in alphabetical order. Here are some animals' names. So, we have to write in alphabetical order. First, we will read all the animals' name. First, ox, hen, camel, tiger, goat, rabbit, elephant, fox, yak, and bear. So, what is alphabetical order? Then ABC order is called alphabetical order. We have to write in ABC order. So we will search if any animal's name is start with A. No. Then after A, what will come? B. So we can search any animal's name start with B. Yes, we can see that B for bear is here. So we will write at first place bear. Then after B, what will come? C. So we can see C for camel is here. So at second place, we will write camel. After that is what will come after C? D. So D is not here. Then what will come after D? E. So we can see E for elephant is here. So we can write at third place elephant. After E, what will come? F. So we can see fox, F for fox is here. So at fourth place, we will write fox. After F, G. So we can see goat, G for goat is here. So at fifth place, we will write goat. After G, H. So we can see H for hen is here. So at sixth place, we will write hen. After G, H, I, not here, J, K, L, M, N, not here, O. So we can see O for ox is here. So at seventh place, we will write ox. Then after O, P, Q is not here. Then R. We can see R for rabbit is here. So at eighth place, we will write rabbit. After R, we can see S is not here. Then T. So at ninth place, we will write T for tiger. And at last, we will write at 10th place York. Hope all of you have understand. I hope all of you will do it in your books. You have to write these work in your book in good handwriting. Now I am ending this video. We will meet again in next class. Till then, bye.